Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a link into Eduphoria that will automatically repopulate so you don't have to go back and remember to add each week. So what I'm going to do is find my link I want to add, and I'm going to click Share, Copy Link. Then I'm going to go to Eduphoria. I'm going to click the subject I want it in. So this is my math link, so I'm going to put in math. I'm going to click the link button, which looks like the two interlocking paper clips. I want to make this a giant rectangle, and I want to click Paste or Control V. Again, paste is Control V. I'm going to click OK. If you want, I can label this Math Plans. And then I'm going to click the X at the top. Next, I'm going to click the wrench, and I'm going to click Set as Default Text for Entry. And I'm going to click OK. Now, from now on, this day is going to appear with this math link. So if I go on the first, that same math link is going to open up. Now, once I've clicked on that, I want to make sure it's up to date. So you may have clicked on a day before, like I've already clicked on the 17th. I want that 17th to have the right math link. So I'm going to go to the calendar. I'm going to click Delete Today's Plans. I'm going to click OK. And it's going to repopulate with the correct links. So let me show you that one more time how to do that. You're going to go get your link you want, and then you're going to get the link you want. You're going to copy the link. You're going to put it in Eduphoria by pressing the link button so that you know it's an active link. You're going to click OK. You're going to click the X, and you're going to click the wrench and click Set as Default Text Entry.